Damn, it's about time. Yo, the package is here. Let's go in and grab it.
So like I did that.
What the frick is it? Let's bring it out. Alright, they told me to meet them back around the lot. Oh, I thought somebody was coming out. We gotta go back around inside the lot. Go ahead and do that. So they said they had it in this back lot for me. I'm on my way there. What is it? It's way bigger than I expected. Way bigger than I expected. Oh, my boat. My boat. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm gonna have it off to the side over here a bit so I can add bicycle attachment later on. Like somewhere on here.
Close overage said vroom vroom LMAO.
Vroom vroom. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Let's see if I can get this center. Slide it over like this. All the way over to here. I don't want it to be totally dead center on there, as you can see. I still want to leave this space out right here for any other attachments. Okay, so the way this works, really, twist the key, press that button, the latch unleashes. Now, I've got all my stuff in here now. So everything's kind of out everywhere. I got my like tool bag over there. I got some other supplies right here, my privacy screens, my stove, etc. Now, the latches are super, super easy to get on. Just have that arrow where you just connect the hinge on either side. Pretty much the same on the other side. The other side opens. Super convenient how this other side opens, so if you ever need to access it, like you can just walk over, come around, close it, you'll hear the lock, thing comes out. Definitely a little bigger than I expected, but I think it looks great. Super cool looking. Now, installation was also super easy. You can see down here, they have little clips that just hook on to my, my Jetstream bars here on all four sides, you can see. And then if you come up here, these little screws right here, screw in to keep everything held down on all sides. These things are built pretty well. Got a nice coating on the outside and everything on the inside is completely waterproof. Definitely works super well when you're out in all kinds of weather conditions, whether it's rain, sleet, snow, or shine. This thing will definitely hold up to all those standards. So if you guys like that video, let me know what you think down in the comments below. And in my next video, I'll be going over how my entire camper layout is. It might be a little bit of a mess. Also, you can see a little bit more of it down in Twitch live streams in the link description below. But until the next one, guys, thank you all. I'll be seeing you.